on this car, and right there got those, and the other ones still don't have the valve stems, but I did receive them in the mail, and these are a little bit lower profile valve stems, and they have like this little metal sleeve that I like to put, but these already came like pressed on. And shout out to everyone that actually had issues with valve stems just like breaking, blowing out. Like one time I was coming back from the junkyard, and if you know, when you go down Alameda going north, there's all those bumpy ass roads on Alameda, and there's train tracks. Well, I flew over those in the Integra, and I literally heard something that sounded like a bottle rocket. Like, just imagine a bottle rocket, and I'm like, that's weird. So I went home, and my tire was like halfway, and luckily it didn't go flat, but it was halfway flat, and I made it home, and then I went like this, and it was like psst, like it was literally just coming out of the valve stem. So like, these things do blow out, and I recommend everybody to like swap them out whenever you get new wheels. But yeah, so because the rubber is just a lot more pliable, a lot better. So gonna be putting those on here. I already have one for the left and one for the right because these are directional, and don't mind my bleach in the back. So somebody had asked me what wheels am I getting, I mean what tires. Achilles ATR Sports. So these are just your basic $50 to $60 tires off of eBay. I got these, I ordered them Monday, I got them Wednesday. Super happy, like they just came so quick. And yeah, because I'm used to, you know, ordering and coming like a week late. But so these are directional, and these, I prefer these, and these are the same ones that I have on the back of my brother's car. And I like these because the road noise is less, and they seem a little bit more stickier, especially when they're hot, compared to the Otsu FP 7000s that I had on the DC2, because those were a little bit more, they seemed heavier, they seemed more, they had more road noise, and but one thing is that they did last, so that's good. So, but these just seem like a more sportier tire. So yeah, so again, those are Achilles. I think that's how you spell it or pronounce it. But yeah, Sport, ATR Sport, and they also have the ATR Sport 2s, but I just got these. So yeah, so let's throw these on, and I'm gonna have a little help to throw them on because I can't do it myself, which sucks. Oh yeah, and by the way, two more things. These are 215 45 17s, so pretty good upgrade. It's rated for a higher speed also. So yeah, these are 215 45 17s, just in case anybody was wondering, and that's standard size for the DC5 Integra Type R also. So the dimensions and all the specs are basically the same, except maybe for the offset. These are 45 offset. I don't know about the offset for the DC5, the 17-inch, or even the Type S, the 0506. I don't know the offsets on those, but they're sure going to be better than these because these are very sunken in. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw them on the front, and let's see how this thing looks. It's gonna be crazy. All right, go for it. There you go, perfect. But don't put all your weight on it though. Like, I don't think it needs all of it. Okay, that's good. Okay. Alright guys, so also the reason why I'm actually test fitting this is because I actually heard and read that I am going to need a spacer because the bigger calipers would not clear the back end. But I don't know how much that's true because this goes on an SI, and the SI and, you know, DC5 are like, you know, basically the DC5 faded away and the SI took over, but almost with the same specs, just more refined. But yeah, so some guys say that you have to put spacers to run these on a DC5. Some say you don't. So that's why I'm just test fitting for now. And plus my back is like killing me right now. So just gonna get this done and check if this fits the center cap. And then when it fits, I'm gonna put them on another day and show the car off completely to see how it looks. They go on. Alright guys, so that's it right there. Let me know what you think. This is just a quick little video of the install. And these things look kind of big, but I think it's just the wheel gap that's throwing it off. But yeah, I got that center cap clocked differently. It's supposed to be facing the, like Acura and Honda recommends that it faces the valve stem. That's just like tradition, but I got the other one good. I'll fix that one later. But yeah, also I want to show you about the lip. The lip, it chipped, so it's actually chipping a little bit more up here. So I'm actually just gonna sand this down real quick, do a little blend job. This is like a 5-minute repair right there. And that's the other wheel. It's a little bit lighter, I mean a little bit darker than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, and just to think that, you know, 17s look a little bit big on the DC2, I mean DC5, in my opinion. Like, I'm just not used to it. It's not big, I'm just not used to it. People put 17s on DC2s, and in my opinion that's borderline ricer because they kind of look big on this car. But man, I like it. I'm just gonna roll with it a little bit, just put the springs in the future and see how it guys, so that's gonna be the little video for today. If you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment, and wait until I put all of them on. And yeah, and especially when the car's lower and I redo the tint and just do a few other things to the body that'll make it really stand out. But yeah, so that's it right there guys. I'll catch you on the next one.